we saw them bubbles.
Well, that's a good one. I like him like that now.
Yeah, that's a good way to start right there.
Put him in there and go get his buddy.
We've been kind of patrolling around looking for a spot. We pull in, you can see the remnants of some, that's where he was been splashing when he caught him, but there was bubbles coming up. And that's what they're looking for when they're fanning them nests, making them beds, making them bubbles appear up, and that's a good way to locate them fish. And Billy throwed in there first thing, and he was getting ready to drop that little anchor right there, and his bobber was gone. Kind of dancing with mine, ain't he? That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah. Look like a tarpon jumping up out of
Whipping him out of there.
Man,
He ain't as big as yours.
he's still pretty though.
He sure is. Look at there. Yeah, most people sit around here and they think, man, what are y'all getting such worked up over them little old bitty fish for? They just don't know that, man, they are solid muscle now.
They sure are.
I mean solid muscle.